Hey guys, unfortunately today I'm not going to be on my kayak because, I'm in the process of looking for a new one because what I have now is just not rated for my size person. And so it's kind of unstable in heavy wind. So today we're going to be fishing off the bank, and this is what it looks like. Just a little tank that we have, and I've pulled up some pretty good bass from here, so we're gonna just be trying to mostly plastics, but I've got a spinnerbait rigged up, and we're gonna just throw that around for a second, and then we're gonna be throwing some power worms and some brush hogs. So let's see what today produces, and if you have any suggestions as to what type of kayak you guys use, please leave a comment below. And right now I'm in the market to buy a new one. I have a Sun Dolphin 10 SS, which is a sit-in kayak, and I bought it a while back just because I was new to the whole kayaking thing. I just wanted to try it out, and I absolutely loved kayaking, but I realized 250-pound me in water is not very stable. So right now I'm currently looking at two different options. I want one that's definitely got a pedal drive to it, and right now I'm looking at the Pescador Pilot 12 or the Old Town Pilot Drive kayak. So yeah, if y'all have any suggestions, please comment below, and let me know what you guys use, and think about those two options that I'm looking at. And if you have any reviews on those, please feel free to comment on it. So let's stop talking and let's get to fishing. All right, here we go. We have changed to a power worm with the tail of its dipped, so we're going to be throwing into these grass mats here and see if we can pull anything out of it. We got one. Woo! Yeah, power worm, baby. Not too bad. Alright, let's make that happen again. Alright, we got one on the line. Woohoo! All right. All right. It's a nice looking fish. All right, so not a terrible day, but we got a couple of fish. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully we'll have more action next time. So take care, guys.